TickPickcom reviews pricing explained what you get for your money. Buying event tickets online can be tricky, and TickPickcom promises no hidden fees, but most people get this wrong by assuming it's just another ticket marketplace. The surprising truth is that TickPick eliminates service fees upfront, which can save you a lot compared to other platforms. Ticket prices vary depending on event popularity, seat location, and demand. For example, a mid-range concert ticket may cost, while premium seats are highly sought after events can exceed. TickPick shows the total price, so what you see is what you pay, no surprise fees at checkout. What you get: transparent pricing, a large selection of concerts, sports, and theatre tickets, and a points-based system for rewards. What you give up: limited availability for last-minute events, and some resale tickets may be higher than face value due to demand. Here's how to maximize value. Step 1. Compare prices with other platforms before purchasing. Step 2. Check event details carefully to avoid wrong dates or seats. Step 3. Take advantage of rewards points for discounts on future purchases. Step 4. Buy early for high-demand events to secure better prices. You won't believe what happens next if you ignore seat reviews. Some listings may not offer the view or location you expect. The surprising truth is that TickPick's no-fee approach often makes it cheaper than competitors, especially for big events. In conclusion, TickPickcom provides transparent pricing and reliable ticket purchases. By understanding the pricing model and planning ahead, you can enjoy events without worrying about hidden fees or unexpected costs.